Having worked with Oracle databases on the on-prem, in Azure, in AWS, and in other clouds, I still believe the native home for an Oracle database is Oracle Cloud. That is my personal opinion. You might disagree with it, but I have seen that Oracle's performance and Oracle support is matchless when it comes to Oracle Cloud or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. There are a lot of options, and I'll be doing another video about it as how you can provision and maintain Oracle databases on the on cloud. But in this video, as you can see on your screen, we have a multi-cloud environment where our application is in the Azure or which is the Microsoft's cloud, and our database is in the Oracle cloud on the right hand side. If you're looking to connect your applications running in Azure or in AWS for that matter, you can follow the similar pattern in AWS too, but this picture is more aligned with the Azure. On the left hand side, we have few steps you need to take to connect your application running in Azure to Oracle database running in Oracle cloud. So you have to first grant privileges as prerequisite and define all the subscription owner and stuff. Then you need to link your account and also your subscription. Once that's done, you need to create Azure groups and user and assign relevant privileges, which could be like contributor, network contributor monitoring. Once that's done, create a database in Oracle database and then connect it through the Oracle Azure interconnect. So that's pretty much there is to it, and I have seen that it works fairly error free, and I haven't seen any issues there. The speed is quite good, which is basically dependent on your interconnect too. But all in all, a great user experience. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any feedback, please share in the comment section. Thank you.